Good morning, friends. Today is the last lecture of the second unit. Okay, this is the last part. With the help of that SFD, you have to draw the loading diagram as well as BMD diagram. Last lecture we have seen with the help of different loading. Okay, there only you have given the point load. With the help of that, how to draw the loading diagram as well as BMD. In today's lecture, we will see how to draw loading diagram as well as BMD diagram if you have given the inclined support, or we can say the linear decrease or linear increase. Okay, remember that. Okay, then we will start. First point is a loading diagram calculations. Loading diagram calculations. To do the loading diagram calculations, we will consider first support reaction in the given SFD at A point and B point. For equilibrium, see, we will consider the first point is a suddenly rise. A point is a, we are getting the sudden rise. Sudden rise is indicates the vertical force in upward direction, right? Sudden rise is indicate the vertical force in which direction? In which direction? In upward direction. In upward direction. Okay, in upward direction is positive. You will get the, suppose we are considered here the support reaction RA is equal to, we will get the 10 kilonewton in upward direction. Show the arrow. Okay. Then what is the second point? Check that. The second point from A to B point we will get the, this is the linear decrease. This linear decrease is indicates in between A to B point there is a UDL is at. UDL is at. And how to calculate the value of that UDL? Okay, from point A to B. From point, we will write here A to B. See, remember that W is the notation we are using for the load. Okay, W is equal to, you have to check the load on the B point first. PB minus PA. Okay, PB minus PA divided by length. Divided by length. Okay, this length is given 6 meter A to B. Then B to C you have given the 10 meter is there. 10 meter is there, and this one is given 2 meter. 2 meter. Okay, C to B. Then check that what is the value of PB. We will check that 5.5 positive is there. Minus what is the value of VA? The 10 divided by what is the length? 6 meter. 6 meter. Then you will get this minus 0.75 kilonewton meter. 0.75 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then next we want to calculate the value for the B point. There is a BB point. Okay, BB point. See, from B there is a suddenly decrease. Okay, suddenly decrease is indicates the force is going in downward direction. Downward direction. Then you will get that PB, check that again B2 minus P1 is there. Last lecture we have seen. I will write here PB2 minus PB1 for B point. Check that the value of PB2. What is the value of PB2? This value is given 1.5 kilonewton. Means minus 1.5 kilonewton. Why minus? Because this value is below the zero line. Then minus 5.5 is there. Okay, we are doing the minus, then you will get the minus 7 kilonewton. Minus 7 kilonewton. And again check that B to C we have the linear decrease is there. Linear decrease is there. Then again we want to calculate from point B to C the value of W. What is the value of W? How to calculate? Before this point we have seen. Check that. This is the VC minus PB divided by L is there. What is the value of VC? Minus 9 kN. What is the value of VB? Minus 1 point again 5 kN. And what is the length in between that? B to C, 10. 10 is there. Again you will get, if you have calculated, then you will get the 0.75 kN meter. Because if there is a linear decrease or linear increase, then there is a UDL is at in between that 2 points, B to C. Then next point, all of you getting how to calculate the value of UDL? Yes, very good. Then next we'll take that. Next point, which is the next point? C point is there. Okay, next point number 4. Here we are getting the suddenly rise. Check that. Suddenly rise. This sudden rise is indicate that this force is going upward direction. Vertical force is going in which direction? Upward direction. Then how to calculate that VC value? How to calculate that VC value? VC is equal to, check that, this VC2 minus VC1 is there. What is the value of VC2? 3 is there. This is the positive. Minus. What is the value of VC1? Minus 9. Okay. You will get the minus 9, minus plus. That's why you will get the 12 kN. 12 kN. Then check that this C to D, there is a constant load. Constant load. Means there is a no load is there. No load is there. That's why here is a, where we will get the constant. Next point is a constant. Okay, there is a no loading. Remember that. Load is constant. This value is force is constant. Then there is a no loading. And last 7 number point, value or force at D point. How to calculate? Again similar way. VD2 minus VD1. Which is the VD2 point? See, we are going in this way. Here we are reached, then we are reached at the 0 line. Means here is a VD1 point and here is a VD2 point. Second point is always second number point. Remember that. VD2, which is VD2 0, minus 3 is there. We get the minus 3. Means this is the downward direction. Once all of you check, we are getting all the points or not. Okay. Then I will draw the here loading diagram. RA is there. What is the value of RA? 10 kN is there. In between A to B, there is a linear decrease. That's why UDL is at. We have calculated that value 0.75 kN meter is there. B to C at the point B there is a 7 kN load is at. B to C again linear decrease. Again UDL is at. Same value 0.75 kN per meter is there. Then at the point C, check that this is the positive load. This will act in the upward direction. Means second reaction we are getting at the C point, 12 kN. And last there is no load in between C to D. Check that at the D point we have minus 3 kN, means downward direction 3 kN. C to D point. Very simple. You can calculate. Remember that how to calculate the UDL, how to calculate the point load with the help of SFD diagram. After that, same procedure is there. You have to do the calculations for the BMD diagram. You know how to calculate. Once you have got the loading diagram, BMD calculations. Okay, how to do the BMD calculations? Bending moment at first point A 0. Then check that bending moment at B point. Yes, anybody? Bending moment at B point. Where is the B point? Here. Okay, this RA is going clockwise. Clockwise. Check that. Clockwise is 10 positive. Okay, into the distance 6 meter. Then minus. Why minus? Because your beer is going anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Minus 0.75 into, how to write? Force into what? Distance. Okay, force into distance 6. And where is that? At the CG. Where is the CG? 6 by 2. Then we will get the CG of that points. Okay, what is the value of that? 46.5 kilonewton meter. Right? Then next is the bending moment at C point. Check that. Where is the C? Here. Then again 10 into what? Up to the A to C distance 16 minus, I will consider the total A to C U here. Okay, 0.75 into total distance A to C 16 into, where is that? At the CG 16 by 2. There is again 7 kilonewton minus, because of anti-clockwise, minus 7 into remaining distance is 10. This value you will get the minus 6 kilonewton. Minus 6 kilonewton. And last point at point D, bending moment at D is equal to 0. This is the bending moment calculations. Then I will draw the PM diagram. Check that. 0 line A, B, C and D. A point having 0 value, B point having 46.5 value. Okay, I will mark here approximately. And which curve we will draw here? Parabolic curve, or we can say the second degree curve. Right? Give the name of that curve is parabolic curve. Parabolic curve. And write the value 46.5 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then after that, check that at the point that C is there, minus 6 is there. Then here is the inclined line in the SFD. Here we will draw the which line? Again parabolic curve or second degree curve. Parabolic curve. Okay, what is the value? Minus 6 kilonewton meter. And last is a 0. Here we have drawn the straight line, then we will join it with the help of inclined line. This is the BMD diagram. Okay. Sometimes in the all questions, okay, you will get this type of the question. You have given the SFD diagram. With the help of that SFD diagram, you have to draw loading diagram as well as BM diagram. Okay, once you have got the loading diagram, then easily you can draw the BMD diagram. But how to calculate how to do the calculations? Okay, you have to remember that. And today we will stop. If you have any query in the second unit SFD and BMD, I have tried my best to solve maximum numerical. I have solved all the numericals in the video. Those numericals are came in the previous examination. Okay, so guys, do the study. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Today we will stop. Next lecture we will start the third unit. Okay, thank you.